Coming up with today's Panther Beat.
The Skilled Trades Fair comes to the IMC.
And our girls bowling team celebrates their state championship.
Your Panther Beat starts now.
Hey, I'm Travis.
And I'm Anna, and this is your Panther Beat for Wednesday, March 6th.
Job shadowing experience is now available for juniors. Pick up an application from the guidance office. The deadline for the application is Friday, March 22nd. See Mrs. Ritzel for any questions.
The prom theme has been decided. The prom theme for 2019 is Great Gatsby. Prom is May 4th at the Collinsville Gateway Center. Tickets for juniors and seniors are $50. Guests are $65. Tickets will go on sale March 21st.
Here's Ethan Weld and Kevin Liu with this week's SAT math question.
Today, our subject is math. However, you are not allowed to use your calculator. Find the product of the problem on screen. Now, choose your answers from the ones provided. You have 60 seconds to decide. Alright everyone, time's up. The correct answer is x to the 8th minus 3x to the 5th plus 8x to the 4th minus 10x squared plus 9x plus 7. By using the distributive property, you have the following results, and combining like terms should give you the correct answer.
Our girls bowling team celebrated their season with the state championship.
Here's Lily and Kira with the story.
We have our first ever state championship team in our girls bowlers.
Senior bowler, Lauren, retells the story of winning the state championship for bowling. They won with 12,122 pins overall within 12 games against 20 other teams.
To be the first team in OHHS history to win state feels just awesome, and it's still so surreal that we've actually done it. And with the same group of girls from the past 2 years, it's amazing feeling, and I don't ever want to let it go.
Mr. Bickle recounts the defining moment of when the girls won state.
In the 11th round of this 12-round bout, they're neck and neck with, I believe, the defending state champions, correct? Yeah. And they dropped a hammer on that team in the 11th round.
Haley Williams, one of the senior bowlers, thanks a couple of her mentors.
We'd like to thank our coach Spencer and just all the parents who have been there for every tournament and every match, supporting us all the way through. Mike Imes and just the people like Mr. Bickle and Darcy Benway and Todd Mueller.
Grace Broswell, a junior bowler, talks about the future for the girls bowling team.
Well, us we're right here coming back next season, so we're hoping to continue it and continue having a lot of success.
To celebrate this victory, O'Fallon threw a parade for the girls using the O'Fallon Fire Rescue ladder truck. This is Lily Wynn and Kira Leahy reporting for Panther Beat.
Thanks, guys.
Congratulations, ladies. Now let's pass it over to the sports desk.
Hey O'Fallon, I'm Ty with today's sports. 4 O'Fallon runners have been named to the St. Louis All-Metro Cross Country team. Will Van Alstyne and Will Ray were named first team All-Area. Nick Edwards, second team, and Brennan Krell named honorable mention. Congratulations, guys. That's all for me. Now let's pass it over to the birthdays.
Thanks, guys. I'm Sammy with the birthdays. Birthdays for Monday, March 4th go out to Olivia Charles, Zoe DiMaggio, and Logan Edwards. And a very special happy birthday to Panther Beats Miss Drupart. Birthdays for yesterday, March 5th are Haley Hardiman, Nolan Cumming, Gloria Martinez, Connor Rochelle, and Benjamin Spear. And a very special happy birthday to Miss Dismukes, Ms. Isaacs, and Mr. Keck. Birthdays for today are Braden Hartman, Jacob Hayes, Autumn Cushmal, Michael Logan, Megan Matheny, and Evan Stogner. That's all for me. Now let's pass it back to the news desk.
And now for your club news. Art Club meets next week, Monday, March 11th, in room 700 at 3 p.m. Come to learn how you can support the OTHS Pop Art Show. Spanish Club members, don't forget your money and order forms for the Spanish Club t-shirts. They are due by this week, Friday.
First Priority will not be meeting today. We will meet tomorrow outside of room 806 instead.
That's it for today, O'Fallon. Stay tuned for information regarding the Skilled Trades Fair.
For up-to-date news, videos, and more, head over to our Panther Beats YouTube channel.
Bye.
Bye.
OTHS has a new fair coming its way. The Skilled Trades Fair is a great way to find a plan for your future. Ms. Bueller explains more.
The Skilled Trades Fair is an opportunity for kids to figure out some other things out there after high school and college. It is on March 7th from 1st through 4th hour.
Ms. Bueller now mentions some of the things you can find at the fair.
So the Skilled Trades Fair, we're going to have all sorts of SWIC programs available. We have Kaskaskia College coming. We have lots of trades and unions coming.
Finally, Ms. Bueller now elaborates how you can attend the Skilled Trades Fair.
In order to go, you can check with your teacher to make sure that they're signed up. If they're not signed up, you can head to guidance, and guidance can get you a pass so that everyone can take the opportunity to go down there.
Reporting for the Panther Beat, this is John Bowling.